Whoa.
Look at more coming this way.
Yeah, yeah.
There's a lot more coming in.
Now, see, that's about, what would you guess there? About 2,000, 5,000?
Maybe.
At least.
Yeah.
Whoa.
And look how many are on the ground or water already.
Yeah. Yeah.
Holy cow! They're not going to have any rice field left.
Oh, we came to church, and what you see here is nothing.
It's raining over there to the right.
Oh.
It was just, I mean,
Yeah.
you couldn't see the ground.
Wow.
There were so many.
Well, this morning when we came out to pick you up, on the left side here, they were all, there was no water showing. It was all swans. It was all swans. You know what? They're staying in their own little category. The swans over to the left.
Yeah.
Oh, look at them all.
Whoa.
Look at them.
Whoa.
Oh, look at them.
I know.
Oh my God.
Whoa, there they go.
There they go.
There they go.
Here they come. Never seen that many. There's more coming.
Look at, now it's turning so you can see them.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's more coming.
Yeah.
What is it that they're doing?
Man, they're way out there.
I know. What is it that they're? Why do they keep coming in and going out?
Maybe somebody gave them a psychedelic drug or something.
Those are small geese. They're geese.
You know what? I think you're right. I don't think they are. They don't look like honkers.
Now they're going over and settling way over.
They are geese. They are geese.
They're geese. Yeah, you can see
Yeah.
the front of them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Somehow they love this valley.
Yes, they
Oh
sure
yeah,
do.
there's lots of food. All the grass that they plant.
And the rice.
And the
Yes.
rice. That's what I'm saying. Grass. It's grass. It's not rice really.
I know.
But you know they're getting all that seed. Oh, the
Somebody
farmers
said
love-
that this wild rice came from Wisconsin.
It is. It's a seed, grass seed and it came from the Indians. They were doing this for thousands of years. Wisconsin.
Maybe they just decided to get some exercise. Man, now you can see way over there.
Yeah.
All settling down over there now.
And when they turn a certain way, then the color
Yeah.
shows up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, yeah, they're deciding to
Why are they
hunker
all-
down over
Why are they
there
over there? No. And there's
because
some over here to the right in the field. See all the black little things there? There's some that are landing there too.
Mm-hmm.
See them? Way to the right. Watch when they drop.
So what do you think of that, Sally?
Well, I think I've got a great 3-minute video of birds. Yeah, exactly. Okay.